Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: clannish, exclusive, selected, reserved, tending to associate only with a select group of a similar background or status, or group of people or society who are friendly to one another but not to people outside the group. So very selective. So they won't mingle with others. They won't mingle with others. So only with a few people they will move ahead. Clear? So such people we call it as clannish. So selected, reserved, akin, alike, close, associate, narrow, restrictive, unfriendly, unreceptive. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: welcoming, open, friendly. They will be friendly with everybody. So not selective, they will be friendly with everyone. Those words are related to antonyms: welcoming, open, friendly. Example: in many villages the society is clannish and dominated by males. In many villages the society is clannish and dominated by males. Ostensibly. Ostensibly means apparently, seemingly, on the face of it, as appear or is stated to be true though not necessary. That means பார்க்கிறதுக்கு நல்லவராட்டம் இருக்கார், நல்லவరా இல்லையா தெரியாது. మా చూడ్డానికి మంచివాడిలాగా అనిపిస్తున్నాడు, మంచివాడా కాదా తెలీదు, చూడ్డానికి. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ apparently, ostensibly. Clear? Synonyms: seemingly, on the face of it, outwardly, evidently, supposedly, superficially, to the eye, on the surface. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: genuinely, really, truly. Example: their ostensible goal was to clean up government corruption, but their real aim was to unseat the government, that is remove the government. Anomaly, peculiarity. Synonyms: abnormality, irregularity, that is a person or thing that is different from what is usual, or something that deviates from what is standard or normal. So that is what we call it as peculiarity or abnormality. Irregularity, other synonyms: oddity, deviation, inconsistency, rarity, aberration. Oddity, ODDITY. So that is also anomaly. Antonyms: conformity, normality, regularity, usual, standard. Those words can be related to antonyms. Example: there are number of anomalies in the present system, or there are numerous anomalies in the present system. Abet, a very interesting word ma, be careful, see the meaning here. Help someone to do something in wrongdoings, in wrong or illegal doings. That is very very important. Synonym: see that encourage, assist, instigate, but doing in wrongdoings. Clear? So encourage, assist, instigate, provoke, condone, promote. So all these things are helping them in doing wrongdoings or illegal things. Clear? Antonyms: hinder, prevent, resist, halt, refuse, reject, stop, oppose, discourage, disapprove, protest. All these words can be related to antonyms. Abet, help someone to do something wrong or illegal. Remember this one. Example: he was not guilty of murder but guilty of abetting others. He was not guilty of murder but guilty of abetting others, helping them in doing wrongdoings, right? Even we can give one more example. Ram's accountant had aided and abetted him in the fraud. Ram's accountant had aided and abetted him in doing fraud. Clear? Speckle, that is dotted, flecked, mottled, sprinkle. Sprinkle, hope you got an idea. Suppose say that white paper is there, you are just sprinkling with red color, so it will be spotted, right? Dotted all over. That is what we call it as a speckle. A small mark of a different color from the area around it, usually found with a large number of other marks of the same type, or a small spot or patch of a color. So that is what we call it as a speckle. Synonyms: fleck, mottled, sprinkle, freckle, stud, dabble, etc. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: plain, simple. Example, see that best example, a blackbird egg is blue with brown speckles on it. One more example also can be given. The valley was speckled with flowers. The valley was speckled with flowers. Perverse, difficult, abnormal in behavior. Contrary, unreasonable. So it's a strange and not what most people would expect or enjoy, such a type of behavior. So that is what we call it as perverse, unacceptable standard in behavior. Synonyms: contrary, unreasonable, wicked, bad-tempered, abnormal, cantankerous, pugnacious. All these words can be related to perverse. Antonyms: accommodating, good-natured, agreeable, nice, reasonable, happy, willing, amiable, well-disposed. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Rita's perverse thoughts were so disturbing, so she decided to see a therapist. Bona fide, authentic, genuine, real, legitimate, not false, veritable, credible, original, good faith, official, natural. All these words are related to synonyms. Bona fide certificate, that's what we tell normally, right? Antonyms: fake, bogus, illegitimate. Example, make sure you are dealing with a bona fide company. Make sure you are dealing with a bona fide company, trusted company. Clear? Wanton, willful. So of cruel or violent action, so doing deliberately without a shame, that is a shameless. Cruel and violent action doing deliberately, unprovoked, shamelessly, without feeling guilty. So something bad such as damage, cruelty, extreme and showing no care at all, that is what we call it as wanton, willful, deliberate, malicious, shameless, unprincipled, indecent, vicious, wayward, libidinous, outrageous, immodest. All these words can be related to synonyms. Even we can say a person who is having many sexual relationships, such a type of person. So wanton. Clear? Antonyms: justifiable, decent, thoughtful, nice, moral, careful, clean, gentle, kind, observant. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Tom was surprised by a wanton thought that rushed into his mind. Qualmish, unwell, a sudden disturbing feeling, a sudden feeling of sickness, faintness, nausea. So this is what we call it as qualmish. So synonyms: uneasy, sickly, anxious, restless, squeamish, uncomfortable, nauseated. All these words can be related to synonyms. So antonyms: content, healthy, happy, satisfied, comfortable. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Arjun felt extremely dizzy and qualmish. Arjun felt extremely dizzy and qualmish. Obdurate, stubborn. So stubbornly, refusing to change one's opinion or course of action. So that is what we call it as obdurate. So stubborn, used to describe a person who refused to change his mind despite what anyone else says. So such people we call it as obdurate, stubborn. Synonyms: adamant, dogged. So see that word, dogged. Callous, firm, fixed, hard. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: submissive, gentle, amenable, yielding, susceptible. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, I agreed this point with him, but he was obdurate. He was stubborn. Factious, causing conflicts, likely to argue or disagree. So factious means divided, alienated, split, contending, dissent, warring, divisive. Antonyms: agreeing, congruent, united, peaceful. See that example, the factious boss turned employees against one another. So the eastern rebels were defeated more easily because they were factious. That means someone who is trying to break the relationship by causing conflicts between them. That is what factious. Divide and rule policy, what Britishers did with Indians, divide and rule policy. So same, we can go ahead with factious. Clear? Causing conflicts. So example, the factious boss turned employees against one another. Here you need to remember one more word, a little bit confusing word. This one is factious. One more word is there, factitious. Factitious. This is factitious. One more word, factitious. Factitious. That means artificial rather than natural. Artificial rather than natural. So even we can give an example like the excitement was largely factitious and confined to only media. So it's artificial one, not natural. That is what we call it as factitious. Clear? Foray, attack. Many meanings can be related to this one. A short visit, especially with a known purpose, that is also we call it as a foray. A sudden attack or incursion into the enemy territory, especially to obtain something, or we can even say a short period involved in an activity that is different from usual set of activities. Even we can say that the supermarket has made a foray into the financial services market. That also we can give as a example. So foray, attack, assault, pursuit, raid, invasion, inroad, depredation, descent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: regroup, retreat, idleness, laziness, abstention. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the troops made a surprise foray and broke the backbone of the enemy. Upkeep, maintenance, aftercare, preservation. The process of keeping something in a good condition, the state of being maintained, is what we call it as upkeep. So synonyms: aftercare, preservation, repair, custody, outlay, conservation, sustenance, care and feeding. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: distraction, neglect, ruin. Even we can say negligence, demolition, damage, disregard, hurt, injury. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: who is responsible for upkeep of these missions? Once your car gets that old, the cost of upkeep can get very expensive. One more example also can be given. Clear? Next one, simpleton, fool. A person lacking in common sense. A person lacking in common sense. Buffoon, jerk, idiot, a foolish or gullible person. A person without the usual ability to use reason and understanding. Even some more synonyms: clown, imbecile, moron, lunkhead, dunderhead, stupid, bird brain, dullard, dimwit, nitwit, blockhead, bonehead. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: brain, genius, sage, thinker. All these words can be related to antonyms. Examples: Surya's silly antics at office parties have earned him a reputation as a simpleton. If she was not your grandmother, I should say she was a simpleton. If she was not your grandmother, definitely I should have told she was a simpleton. Onus, responsibility, something that is one's duty or responsibility, or we can use it in other sense also. Mark of guilt or disgrace for wrongdoing or failure, what we call it as onus. Responsibility, burden, liability, blame, spot, stain, stigma, blot, brand, slur, blame, fault, guilt, duty, encumbrance, smudge, smirch, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: irresponsibility, blamelessness, credit, uprightness, honesty, innocence, faultlessness, good, right, integrity, award. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, now the owners and the employers are to provide pension scheme. Waylay, ambush. Synonyms: ambuscade, accost, attack. That is to wait for and then stop someone, especially either to attack or talk to that person or trouble them. So that is what we call it as a waylay. So to wait for and then stop someone, especially either to attack or talk to that person or to trouble them. So synonyms: ambuscade, accost, attack, assail, lurk, jump, hold up, prowl, surprise, pounce on, catch. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: allow, forward, tolerate, agree, allot, admit, permit, accede, accept, acknowledge. All these words can be related to antonyms. The police officer waylaid the terrorists and killed them all. A man on his way to bank to deposit 1 lakh was waylaid by 2 men and snatched his bag. That is also can be given as one more example. Mark clear? That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet you tomorrow. Have a great day.